Hello, I'm Captain Chris Dick here on Florida's Adventure Coast, here to give you your August fishing report from On Point Outdoor Pursuits. Here on Florida's Adventure Coast in the month of August, we're dead in the heat of scalloping season, and it's going to run another month and a half or so, depending where you're at. Went out today. Just took the boat on a little test run right out of Bayport. First stop, I jumped in for 10 minutes and probably had about 20 or so. So if you're willing to do the diving and get in and spend some time in the water, I don't think there's any problem getting limits right here out of Bayport. Also the redfish. The redfish are stacked up on all the outer bars, the outer islands. The trout, they're out where they usually are this time of year. They're pretty deep. Keep targeting the outer islands, and of course, again, the scallops. Everybody wants to go scalloping right now, so we're offering half-day scallop trips, half-day fishing, however you want to put it together. Like my motto says, we can build a trip to fit your needs. So whatever you want to do, you want to go catch reds, we'll catch reds. You want to go do some trout fishing, get some scallops, we can do that as well. If you're looking for your next adventure here on Florida's Adventure Coast, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at On Point Outdoor Pursuits, and we'll be happy to build a trip to fit your needs.